Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off notifications on Telegram. The first thing is open up your Telegram, and then you tap on the three lines at the top left corner over here. So you tap on settings down here, this is the gear icon, tap on it, and then scroll down to notification and sounds on that here, tap on it. Then you can see the notification from our account, just turn it off. That's all. So once you turn it off, you will never be able to get from any account you're currently using. Now the next thing I'm going to do is you can turn on notification for private chats. You can turn off all this. Turn off all this. Turn every single one of them on. And that's it. That is how to turn off notifications on Telegram.